Daily markup for Euro USD for Tuesday, the 11th of November. This is the daily chart. Overall structure bullish right now in the pullback, which is bearish, and that's where we are as far as the daily is concerned. We have this demand zone here, and I'm expecting price to continue down into this zone. I'm not sure whether this will hold or not because there's absolutely no inducement in this leg. So let's wait and watch what happens. But as of now, my outlook is that we are in the pullback of the daily, and this price should probably come down to this demand zone. Moving on to the 4-hour time frame, that's obviously bearish because we're playing the daily pullback. We've had a break of structure here, after which there's going to be a pullback. And has the pullback started? Yes, because we have a change of character, and we've also taken out this structure here. So this is for me an internal break of structure, and now the price is we are in the pullback. So if we are in the pullback, this is obviously bullish. I'm expecting price to maybe go up to this supply zone over here. However, I'm also mindful of the fact that there was a fair value gap over here which has now been tapped into, and the price is now trying to break through and come down, but it's facing a lot of resistance, as you can see from these long wicks over here. So price is trying to come down, but it's being pushed up by buyers. So there's a struggle happening over here, and I expect on the M15 for this to be a little sideways, as we can see here. So on the M15, for me, this was the break of structure. You could also mark this as a break of structure if you feel that this is a reasonable amount of pullback after a break of structure. For me, it's not. So I'm expecting price to pull back a lot more. But right now we can see that it's just sideways. It's not really going anywhere, and I would expect, I don't know if there's any news here today, okay, but I would expect on London Open that we kind of maybe sweep these equal lows over here, because this looks like some juicy inducement over here. So there should be a lot of liquidity residing here, and I think this should get swept. I also noticed that there are equal lows here, and this sounds like a good inducement for this entire leg, and price might just dip into this demand zone and then continue further. Now, if it comes in here, does it satisfy also our condition of price having had a deep pullback? Well, we can check with the fib tool here, and yes, so if we come into this zone, then we are definitely into the discounted leg of discounted zone of this leg. So in case price kind of takes out these or takes out this, then probably it's ready to pull up again. So maybe price kind of comes here and then pulls up. However, price doesn't have to do anything that we think it would do. It will do exactly what it has to do. As traders, we just need to be ready for the way price action reacts, and then trade according to that. May the markets be with you.